In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate iMessage on your iPhone. Whether you're setting up a new iPhone or just making sure iMessage is good to go, I'll walk you through the steps you need to take, as well as some tips to make sure it all goes smoothly. So get your devices ready and let's dive right in. First, we're going to head over to the Messages settings on your iPhone. To do this, you'll want to go to your Settings app. It's that grey icon that looks like gears, usually found on your home screen or within a folder if you've organized your apps. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Messages. This is where all the magic happens for iMessaging. Once you're in the Messages section, you'll see a list of options. What you're looking for here is the toggle for iMessage. By default, this might be turned off, especially if you're setting up your iPhone for the first time. All you need to do is tap the toggle switch next to iMessage, so it turns green. That's a visual indicator that iMessage is now enabled. Remember, green is good. Now, after you've turned on iMessage, the next thing that typically happens is a brief moment of waiting. Your iPhone will go through an activation process, which might take just a couple of seconds, but in some cases it can take a bit longer. You might notice a message on your screen saying, "Waiting for activation." This is perfectly normal, so there's no need to worry. Just be patient and let it do its thing. Eventually, you should see "Activation Successful" appear on the screen, confirming that iMessage is ready to use. If the activation takes longer than expected, ensure your device is connected to either a cellular or a reliable Wi-Fi network, as a stable internet connection is crucial for this process. Also, make sure that your date and time settings are set to automatic. This can sometimes help if the activation seems stuck. And there you have it. iMessage should now be activated and ready for you to start sending and receiving messages. A quick tip. If you have multiple devices like an iPad or a Mac, and you're using the same Apple ID, you might want to check iMessage settings on those as well to ensure everything syncs seamlessly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide made the process a breeze. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. Happy messaging, and I'll see you in the next video.